Well, it's wonderful to see you. Ah, good thing it got kind of chilly. Because, well, I bought this, a few months ago. And I'm going to do an unboxing and a demonstration with this one. Oh, yeah, I'm a tad bit lazy. And this is a coffee mug. Can you read that? Yeah, I can't see that well. But even if I could, oh, yeah, there we go. Auto. Ooh. Automatic mug, charging magnetic cup. I have seen these demonstrated and I really, really like them. I am lazy though. This will stir your coffee for you. Oh, I'm all for that. So let's see, what do we get with that? Ooh, okay. Well, oh, I like that. That's actually nice. All right, well, let's open it up here. Oh my gosh, that's really nice. Ooh, auto-magnetic mug. Alrighty, well, yeah, it's kind of a, how do you call that? Static electricity? Ooh, okay, let's see here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I know, I should read the instructions. My father always says that. Oh, yeah. Well, let's see here. We have something to charge it with. I want to properly charge it first and properly clean it. So, oh, how cute. Well, you got to be careful if you have a garbage disposal. You know, not be careful when you wash this in there because you might forget and rinse your coffee out real fast and it will go right down in there and then it won't work so well anymore. So let's see what it does. Should be. Woohoo! Yeah, okay. So what the true test is here is ooh, yeah, that's kind of neat. Ooh, uh-oh. What did I do? Okay, what the true test here is going to be is if I can make hot cocoa in here. Because you know that's a pain in the neck to stir. Well, I think it is. So, yeah, let me clean this really well. Charge it up all the way. It didn't come with any instructions, so I'm just going to have to hope for the best. Hopefully it'll have a red light or a green light or... Oh, gee. I wonder where you charge this thing up. Oh, gee. Hold on, let me see if I can figure it out. Okay, I'm all about the details here because you don't want to just wash this out in the sink because this protects your little motor gear thing here, but it can come right off. You know, it's not sealed really well is what I'm saying. See? It's not sealed very well. So water can get down in there. So I'd be careful when you clean it, not to get this overly wet. And this is where you charge it. So again, not wanting to get overly wet there. That's gonna... Not too terribly inconvenient, but all the same. I would say be really careful when you wash this out. So I'm going to wash it out really nicely, and then I'm going to charge it up, and then I will be back. Oh, and see, it has a little USB plug there. I wanted this for when I'm on the road and stuff. Oh, I can't wait. That way that I can get my sugar and my coffee in here, and I can have it mixed up for me, and I wouldn't have to go look for a spoon. Well, wow. It took 2 hours. 2 hours to charge it up. Oh, yeah, here in the, there's a little light in here in the plug, and it's red until it's ready to be used. So, what I'm going to do, I'm heating up the water. Not too hot, because, okay, to be honest with you, I don't want it spinning all over the place and splashing all over me if it's really, really hot. So, yeah, here we go. I got the magic bullet here. Now, they sell these like 3 for $5 or something, so people must lose them often. But this is like $15, and I was just going to use it like I said if I was on the road. But honestly, what I'm going to end up using it for is tea. I'm going to have my tea in here. So that should stir up my tea and honey. I would think so. Peach tea and honey. Well, let's see. And you know, I read this and it doesn't have any instructions on it on how hot it can take it or whether or not it will not keep it hot. Well, it's insulated, but I mean it will not keep it hot if you plug it in. It will not do that. And I couldn't read any of this, but and I couldn't imagine how I could do all this with it. But I just bought it for fun, really. And we're going to see if it works out, and we're going to make it, oh, just a little fabulous the way I make it for my grandchildren on the holidays. Well, any day's a holiday. Here we go. I'll get the cream here momentarily. But I just want to see, and I'm not going to make a huge, I'm not going to make it too complicated. You know those coffees that come in the can, and they're kind of got the creaminess already in them? I don't know if it's Nestle that makes them or who, but it's kind of like this. Oh, great. It's kind of like this consistency. So let's see. I'm going to put that in first. Alrighty then. And those are just my little sprinkles. So let me go see if I don't want this to be too hot. Okay, like I said, not too hot. Hang on. Woof, woof, woof. That looks about good. Like I said, I don't want it splashing all over. Okay, here we go. Well, you know me, I like to be thorough. Well, let's see. Let's just see. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry. I just don't like the idea of drinking it with a magnet. So this is stainless steel, is it? It doesn't? No, it won't stick to stainless steel. Alright, but I got it out of there all the same. Well, I guess it works okay, but I'd rather use it for my honey and my tea, but I didn't think that would be so exciting. So, my dog's going to hear this. This is the magic he hears me making. Alright, here we go. Well, every holiday he likes this, as you can imagine. Aw, it fell a little bit. Yeah, I make all kinds of dessert coffees for everybody too, but I really enjoy making these for the children. Oh, wrong one. I need my sprinkles. This one's for me. Well, there you have it. Not too bad. Not too bad. Oh, well. You guys have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. Oh, for $14.99? That's not bad. Not bad at all. Let me taste. It needs a little bit more cream, for sure. I'll talk to you later. Bye.